Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to buy Minecraft from G2A platform. So guys, open your G2A platform and search for Minecraft here. After that guys, what you have to do, just click this one. This is Minecraft and make sure you have global region to activate this game. After that guys, what you have to do, just click add to cart. And after that, what you have to do guys, go to cart as you can see here. And what you have to do, click continue to payment and make this is price total. And after that guys, write your transaction method. For example, if you have balance on G2A and or you want to purchase from PayPal, just click this option, or Visa card. Write Visa card and click pay with credit card. After that, wait and write your credit card information and click confirm. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon guys.